what's going on up there? Are we thinning? Sure enough, it just, keeps slowly going downhill. And you start seeing scalp, and then you start seeing through your hair, and you're like, oh, what do we gotta do? We gotta right the course of the ship and, find some replacements. You get older, and that's inevitable, but I try to not lose as much as possible. I kind of like doing cool things with my hair and styling it, and, I don't know, I don't like feeling rain and heat at the back of my head. I got like a yarmulke thing going on back here. We got quitters up here, back here. It's just maintenance on a costume. Some sequences fall off, but this is your favorite costume. You just put them back on. You find new rhinestones and whatever. Everyone has a look that they become accustomed to, and you just want to keep it going as long as possible. My hair loss hasn't really affected me per se. It's not a self-confidence thing. I just like a look. It's like I like, a black car. You like this, and you're like, I want that. I went with the multi-unit hair grafting. I don't want to shave the back of my head, and you get more bang for your buck. You get more soldiers to put back in the no man's land.
Good morning, we're here with Ryan. Today is his procedure day. Ryan's going to be a very simple case. Basically, we're just going to rebuild his front hairline, make that a little more prominent, a little more young looking. And then we're just going to fill a little area in the back. As Ryan said, we're going to put some more soldiers on the field. So we're here with step one of the procedure. Dr. Plinga is actually harvesting tissue for the grafts. And then we'll move along to step two, which will be Doc making the sites and all the surgical techs actually dissecting the grafts into the numbers the doctor needs.
I've heard about We Grow Hair pretty much from every billboard on every interstate here in Nashville. And it just gets you thinking, and he's like, you see the before and after pictures, and he's like, cool, that's an improvement. I've come to you guys like twice before, not ready to pull the trigger yet, because I'm like, I'm not quite there. It's not like that bad yet. And finally, when you start seeing the progression, you're like, okay, before it gets any worse, let's put a stop to this, and let's work on the hedge. One of the cool things, it's like you guys aren't selling. You guys just hey, this is what we can do for you. If we're here for you when you make that decision, which is great, because you don't want to just get rammed down the throat. It's easy. It's personal. You guys are cool. It feels right.
So step three of the procedure will actually be the surgical technicians themselves. They'll be placing the grafts and the sites, all that Dr. Plinga made for himself. All of our technicians are very highly skilled. They've been in the industry for a long, long time. They work very hard for us, and we really appreciate everything that they do.
Okay, so we're here with Ryan, and we just completed his procedure. And what we did today was we were going to try to improve the crown area, and we used about 1,535 multi-units. His density is somewhere between 5 hairs to 5.25 hairs approximately in the back, which means a ton of hair in the back. In the front, what we did with Ryan, we just wanted to bolster the front up a little bit, because he's got beautiful hair, he's got great curls on there, and his donor was outstanding. So I think Ryan's going to look really great in about 12 months from now.
When I get my hair back, man, I just want to see less skin, less scalp, and more hair.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 800-496-7225 or visit WeGrowHair.com.